This tutorial is designed to teach you how to find articles, books, and other materials when you already know a specific title. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Discovery Service to search for specific periodical articles and books, and what to do when we don't have those items. We will look at two common scenarios. Your professor has recommended an article or book, and you have found an article or book on your own. Let's imagine that you are writing a paper or speech on the topic, The Effects of Fast Food on Childhood Obesity. You have just met with your professor, and she has recommended a specific article to you, Evaluation of Fast Food Behavior in Preschool Children. When you know a specific title like this, the easiest way to find it is to use the SHIP Discovery Service. Simply type the title in the box on the home page and search. If we own the full text of the article, it will come up near the top of the result list. Please be careful to match your title closely with the search results. Titles can be very similar to each other. To get the full text, you can simply click the full text link, in this case, the PDF full text of the article. Then you can read the article, print, or save it. One good strategy for finding your own articles is to consult the Works Cited list in a good current article. For example, in the case of the article your professor recommended, we see an interesting item in the source list. Where are kids getting their empty calories? Finding this article works the same way as in the previous example. Use the Discovery Service box to search for the title. This gives us a few results. Look carefully for a title that matches. In this case, we don't have an exact match. This means that Shippensburg University doesn't own the full text of this article, because, by default, the Discovery Service only finds items in our collection. If you want to get the full text, here are a few easy steps. Look in the column on the left side of the screen and uncheck the Available in Library Collection limit. It will automatically update your search. Then browse the search results and look for an exact match. We can see that the first result is the item we are looking for. Note that the Request through Interlibrary Loan link appears under the item. Use this to order articles or books from other libraries. The same procedure works when searching for books. For example, here is a list of books related to childhood obesity from an article in the CQ Researcher, an important source for background information. The book Food Politics: How the Food Industry Influences Nutrition and Health by Marion Nestle looks like a helpful title. To find this book, we will search the Discovery Service. A helpful strategy when searching for specific titles with fairly common words, such as food politics, is to combine it with the author's last name. For example, Nestle, Food Politics. Carefully look for an exact match. In this case, we see that Ship Library owns an ebook version of this title. If you have any questions about finding specific titles, contact a librarian. We will be happy to help.